Struggling to stay motivated or keep putting things off? Join us for Motivation and Procrastination, a quick session packed with simple strategies to beat procrastination and keep moving forward. Have you ever tried doing your hardest task at the start of your day? Productivity experts suggest this strategy will help you accomplish those difficult but important tasks on your to do list. You'll learn how to set goals, tackle projects, and make progress, even when you're not feeling it. So quit procrastinating and come to this session.